Hello, my name is Fergus Timmins and I'm the course coordinator of the Home-Based Care, Home-Based Education Moodle course. I want to show you in this short video how to check that your browser is compatible with Moodle and also to go over the accessibility feature and block that's in Moodle as well. So I'm logged in here as Frank Timmins, as you can see, and I'm on the induction week page of the Moodle course. So one of the first things I want you to do when you log on to the course page is to check that your computer browser is compatible with this Moodle page. And that really means that the features that we have embedded in the course will be able to play on your computer. So how you do that is you just click on the check browser compatibility, and it basically reviews your settings on your computer to make sure that they're consistent with and work with the Moodle page that we have developed. So you can see there that there's a lot of things that they test down the left hand side, and this tells you what kind of operating system you have, what browser you're using. In my case it's Internet Explorer, whether you have JavaScript, HTML5, which is a software code, the screen resolution, whether you've enabled cookies, and whether your pop-up blocker is active or inactive. So my system is fine because I've double checked it. Your system may not be fully compatible. If it's not fully compatible, you'll get a fail message here, and you'll get details down here of which element that you failed. If that happens, number one, don't worry too much about it, and number two, please email me at fergus.timmins@alzheimer.ie, and I'll ask our IT department to check for a solution for that particular problem that you have. Okay, the second thing I want to show you here is firstly how to get back to your previous screen. So most browsers you're able to go forward and backwards, and that's what I'm going to do here, and that gets me back to the previous screen. What I want to show you here now is something around accessibility, and by accessibility we mean how easy it is for you to read the screen and access the screen. If you've got visual difficulties or visual impairments, you can increase the size of the text on the screen here. You might find this too small. You can increase it by using this button here. So if I click on that button, it increases the text size. If I keep pressing it, that becomes more noticeable. So you can see there that the text is much bigger, and you might find that easier on your eyes. To get myself back to the default setting, I just click that reset text size button there on the middle, and if I just want to go down by one size, I can click that. So you can adjust basically the size of the text. So I'm going to go back to default, which is here. If you also have other visual difficulties, you can change the contrast on the screen and the background color of the screen, and there are a number of different possibilities here. This middle button will make everything cream colored, which is maybe easier on the eye, and this blue button here will make everything light blue. And for maximum contrast, the button on the right hand side changes the text and colors quite dramatically. I'm going to go back to the default setting, which is the R button here, which is the reset, and that gets us back to where we started. There are additional features here with this accessibility taskbar. So if I click that, it will launch a taskbar here at the top of the page, and there's a number of different features here on the taskbar, including one which I want to show you, which is text to speech. So you can use this to highlight text, and the computer will then read that text out to you. So let's try it. So I've got to highlight text first and then select a voice. So I have no text highlighted. I need to highlight some text. This works better on short sections of text. So I'm just going to pick that short section of text and click text to speech and ask the computer to read that out to me in a male voice, and let's see what happens.
This course will provide you with information and guidance to help you plan care for a person with vulnerable dementia.
So you can see there that, and hear there that the text to speech reads out the text as it appears on the screen reasonably clearly. But I must emphasize that it's better to select short sentences or short segments of text and do it little by little, because that's how it works best. So I've just gone through there your browser compatibility to check that, and also shown you some basic features of accessibility to make the screen easier for you to read, and I hope those have been helpful. To come out of the accessibility toolbar, you'll see the toolbar is still here along the top. I should just be able to exit it here, and then we're back to normal again. There's no toolbar there. Okay, thank you very much for listening and watching. Bye for now.